one click on the Zierer Tivoli. Let's see if I eject myself. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! That first drop. Wowzers. Oh, here we go again. This first drop's a killer. Sliding all over the place. Oh. Bring back Oakwood. Oh, yeah. I think that's it. Everybody else only got 2 laps. Yeah, 2 laps for us. Oh, there we go. It's slowly passing.